So now let's see how we can work around with Hue and Saturation Modifier for 2D drawings inside of Blender in 2D animation mode. So to do that, I'm just going to go around and then draw out some shapes right here. I'm just going to draw out, and I'm going to fill these shapes with some colors. So I'm going to take my fill color right here, go on to solid fill, go to vertex color, and then select out some color of my choice right here to fill it out just like this. I'm just going to go around and select it, and there you go. It has been filled out with a color. So now I'm going to go to object right here, and once I do that, I'm going to go around over here onto the modifier properties, and then once I go to modifier properties, I'm going to go around over here, and then you will be able to see the hue and saturation option right here. So once I go to hue and saturation, what happens is that I can change this around. So make sure you're on object mode and the object is selected. And if I were to change the hue, you can see that the color actually changes around. If I were to view it in 3D mode right here, you can see that this is the hue and saturation mode. You can increase the saturation, decrease it out to remove the color altogether as well. And you can also change the value right here to make the object more brighter or make it more darker, as you can see right here. And that is how you can work around with the hue, saturation, and value of a 2D drawing inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.